back to my channel. Today we have the Petit Vour box for the month of July. I believe this is $18 per month, and it is always vegan and cruelty-free. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. This is what the inside here looks like. Be bold, be kind. And you see the card right here. And this card, of course, has the theme. And on the back, the items with the price and the description. This box usually contains just 4 items. I think usually 1 or 2 are full size and the rest are deluxe samples. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing we have is this right here. This is Mantra Mask CBD Collagen Mask for $15. Unleash your most youthful glow with this mask that promotes collagen regeneration to reduce inflammation and fine lines and wrinkles. And of course, I love all of that, and I will probably be using this later. So, very excited about that. Alright, next item we got here, Kindred Body Body Oil. And this here, you can see it, retails for $20. It's a nourishing and quick absorbing body oil with mineral powder that moisturizes, soothes, and gives skin a subtle shimmer. Okay, so it's got a roller, and you can see the shimmers on the inside, so you're going to want to shake that. Okay, so it's shooken. Let's see if I can get some shimmers here. Okay, so it does, if you can see it, there you go. Very, very subtle shimmers, just like it said. Doesn't really seem to have much of a smell, so if you're concerned about smell, no, that doesn't really have any. And that is all I have to say about that one. So let's move on to the next item. Okay. Next we have Natural Illusion Pressed Eyeshadow Nude by Nature, and this retails for $20. This richly pigmented and silky smooth textured pressed eyeshadow blends effortlessly into the lid and provides a smooth and even application with each swipe. So this is in shade Sunset, and this has an expiration date of 24 months. You can see it, Sunset, 24 months. There you go. This is what the container looks like. You can see the reflection of me there. And the inside. Now I am not going to swatch this because I am not going to use it. I think it's a really pretty color, but I'm not going to use it. I have a drawer full of singles, and I tend to gravitate more towards my palettes than I do my individual colors, but yeah, it's pretty. So I'm probably going to stick this into the fall giveaway, and I think it's a pretty fall color too, so that's a bonus. I'm not gonna lie here, I really want to stick my finger in it and swatch it, but I know I'm not going to use it, so putting it back in the box. Okay, the last item we have here is Blissomo, I think I said that right, Platonic Facial Sunscreen and Moisturizer. This retails for $17.50. This clean moisturizer spreads on like a dream and leaves a flawless finish on skin while providing SPF 25 broad spectrum UVA UVB protection. So that is a win, and definitely something that I will use. And the expiration date is 3/22, so I have plenty of time to use that baby up. And that is it of my box. So I really love everything I got. All items I would use, including this, I would use it if I didn't already have a lot of eyeshadow. But I hope whoever gets this will enjoy it. And as you guys know, I just had that big summer giveaway with Candace, and then the Hank and Henry mystery box giveaway. I do have another mystery box giveaway coming up. I hope to have that up soon. I'm still waiting for it to arrive in the mail, but as far as the fall one, that's still gonna happen. Still gonna be a lot of stuff. So anyways, that is it of the video. Let me know your favorite product in this box. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like more content like this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.